Okay, is it recording? All right, good.
Are you ready? Prepare to engage in 3, 2,
I'm coming. Nope. Go, no. How about you? So I can shoot you in the leg again. Amazing. Hey, a gun. Make him call it, dude. I'm going to the middle. Dalton, I'm going into the middle. Okay. Hello. That scared me a little. Owen, don't be stealthy. Come on. I'm about to put my head out. Don't aim for my head.
I can't tell what they are.
In that City Hall looking thing. Hey, which pistol is that?
Huh?
Which pistol is that?
Elite Force 1911.
Cool.
Yeah, open window. See the gold bag right there. Get him. Ah, he backed up. You see the tip of you see the flash hider out there?
Yeah.
Get him. Come on. He's right there across the bank right there. Wait for him to come out. He's gonna pop up.
Okay. Got him. Where'd he go? Okay. Hey, I'm coming over. window.
Move in. Move in.
Come on.
You want strobe? Hey, you want a flashlight?
It's kind of clouded.
I'm saying just for strobe. Hey, surround it.
Why is there?
Guys, get down here and watch that.
I'm gonna move to the left. Uh-oh. It's not good. The battery crapped out on me. Yeah. Watch.
Are you leaving?
Should I? Yeah? Okay.
Hold on.